Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the light bulb in the trunk of the Toyota Camry. First you will need a small trim removal tool like this, and you have to start prying from the right side, right here. You see, I just pressed over here and this released this clip. Now we have to disconnect the electrical connector by pressing over here, and this is how the trunk light looks like. Now you will be able to remove this cover, pull it off like this, and inside you guys will see the bulb. Pull the bulb out, insert the new bulb, and now we can reinstall the cover. Reinstall the bulb assembly and insert it back into place. Replacement is complete.